Today I'm showing you bedrooms 1 and 2. Bedroom number 1, just here. It's good size, it's got an ensuite as well. Lovely large windows. A desk and chair here. Very large mirror cabinet. Plenty of space. The armchair there, double bed. Chest of drawers. Like I said, this large window doubling up as a balcony. Oops. It's lovely. And the ensuite is just here. Bath and shower unit, the shower head's just there, put it up. Sink, toilet, and mirror there with some storage underneath and a shelf for other things. Back up to bedroom 2. Just here, next to the bathroom. So you got desk and chair there, television, chest of drawers, double bed, mirror, not mirror, window, and wardrobe just there. That's the mirror. And those are bedrooms 1 and 2.